My cousin drives a BMW. He's not an asshole.
Who?
My cousin drives a BMW. He's not an asshole.
BMW is an SUV.
My friend's brother drives it, but he's not an asshole. So fucking bright.
Let me see me.
It's really bright. How do I fix that?
Because the light.
Do it. Do it. I got it recording. There you go.
Yo, they don't ID you in Greece. They don't? No, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, we bought drinks in Greece. You go to the store? I heard. You go to the store? Fire? You know? No, we got beer. We had cheap beer. Like, it's like a giant.
We probably shouldn't say that. This is recording.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Yo, why do you say hard R?
Wait, look. Wait, shit. Look, it has like it has selfie mode.
Oh, let's do it, let's do it.
Freaking tough. Oh shit, is it?
It's on us.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, damn. Oh, it is.
Actually?
Route detour.
No, I know. I'm just hoping.
What's your name?
This is going on in the entire.
This is Marek's super cool drawing.
Super cool.
Oh,
Oh my god.
400 times zoom, baby. Oh, look at his muscles.
So beautiful.
Wait.
Come on!
Cool. Look at this. Cool. Almost home. Winking. Damn, this shit looks old.
You don't know these people, right?
Nope.
Never mind.